I once ran a single SQL command and the entire table was gone. No where clause, no undo button, and that's when I learned the real difference between delete and truncate in SQL Server. Hi all, welcome back to Bitwise Smarter. If you work with SQL Server or you're learning it, this is a mistake you must avoid. Delete and truncate look similar, but they behave very differently. I needed to clean up a table. Nothing fancy, just remove some old rows. So I typed what felt natural, delete from sales data. I pressed run and instantly realized I forgot the where clause. Everything was gone. Delete is a DML command, data manipulation language. It removes rows one at a time, supports where conditions, and in SQL Server, it can be rolled back if you're inside a transaction. Now, let's talk about truncate. This is where people get burned. Truncate is a DDL command. It removes everything, no where clause, and it resets identity columns. Think of delete like erasing things in a notebook. Truncate is throwing the entire notebook into a shredder. Here's the simplest way to remember it. Delete supports a where clause, so you can target specific rows. Truncate doesn't. It always removes everything. Delete can be rolled back inside a transaction. Truncate has very limited rollback and often none in real systems. Delete is slower because it works row by row. Truncate is much faster because it clears the table in one operation. Delete does not reset identity values. Truncate does. Your identity column starts over. That's why delete is safer and truncate should be used carefully. Use delete in production systems when you need conditions and when safety matters. Use truncate only when you're absolutely sure, usually in development or staging. Again, going back to our analogy, delete is like using an eraser. You remove only what you intend to. Truncate is a paper shredder, fast, thorough, and there's no putting it back together. If this saved you from a future SQL disaster, hit like. Subscribe to Bitwise Smarter for real world SQL lessons. And always double check before you press run. I will see you in the next one.